I just finished repairing an antique singing bird box for a client of mine. It didn't run at all, didn't sing, the wings didn't work. It was in very rough shape. And now, this is a Flajoulot, and Flajoulot going barrel bird boxes are the highest quality bird box that has ever been made in a going barrel format. The song is very sweet. The mechanism runs smooth and quiet if you can get everything dialed in, and it's very tricky. And I am pleased, very pleased with how this turned out. The wings are damaged, so that is not entirely perfect. But the only way to truly repair that would be to remove all the feathers, crack the exoskeleton, work on the inside. It's a big deal. Let's do it one more time. Super sweet song. All right, I'm happy with it. Take care.